Hi everyone, I'm back again with another tutorial. Today we're going to be making a waterfall jacket. You can actually make yours within 10 or 20 minutes. It's very easy. So let's get to it. This is the fabric I'm going to be working with. It's a stretchy fabric. I'm going to be using 2.5 yards of fabric. This is my fabric. It's folded into two. Then I'm folding it again, like you fold it like you're making a circular dress or a circular skirt. So it's folded, the fabric is folded into four. So I'm going to place my measurement now. So I'm going to be taking from here I'm taking 28 inches. I take it around like you're making a circular skirt. So what I'm going to do next is to cut it out. So what you're gonna do is to open your fabric like so. It was folded into four before, so you just open it like so. And this is still folded into two. So from here I'm gonna measure about 17 inches. It depends on how you want it. For me, I'm taking 17 inches. So this is where I will place the shoulder measurement. If you want it above here, you can place it here. If you want it down more, you want it to fall more, your jacket to fall, the drape to fall more than this, you can go down, you can go beyond this 17 inches. So here, this is where I place the 17 inches. I'll put the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches. You divide it by 2, you get 8 inches. So I'm placing the shoulder measurement here. So this is where you're going to cut the big hole. So, and there you take, I'll place the armhole. I'm taking 9 inches for the armhole. So I'm going to cut it like so. So from here to here is 17 inches. So this is where I place, the 17 inches, then I'll place my shoulder measurement there. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches. You divide it by 2, it gives you 8 inches. So I place 8 inches here. So this is where I will draw my armhole from here. So I make 9 inches armhole here. From here to here is 9 inches. So to get the armhole, then you make a round circle here. And for the armhole, I have the 7 inches here. Then the length is 9 inches, and the wideness is 7 inches. So here I'm not gonna, so I'll cut here. make a cut around where I circle it. This is just for the armhole. So you now go ahead and open it. So this is my Waterfall jacket. It's very super easy to make. This is the armhole. This is where your hand will pass through. You can go ahead and use a zigzag stitch to hem the armhole here, the both side and the whole edges all around. If you want to leave it like that, if you want to leave it like that, you can still leave it like that. It all depends on what you want. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe, like and share my video. See you on my next video. Bye.